Shandong Free Professional Laser Machine Supplier in Shandong, China. We provide the laser engraving machine, laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, CNC router, and other automatic industry device and production lines. All these laser machines are widely used for industrial projections. All our products are past the CE. We have an outstanding technology team. Follows the standard system of ISO 9001 to maintaining a strict quality control system. These laser equipment are 100% fully load burn-in testing to make sure the quality. We have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and increasingly attract customers from all over the world based on quality products, excellent service, competitive price superiority, and timely delivery. We export to over 100 countries and regions, including Europe, Poland, Serbia, Turkey, Russia, USA, Mexico, Brazil, India, Thailand, Middle East, and South Africa. Have enjoyed good reputation from all of our customers. After several years' development, we have achieved great progress. Our research and development department provide the strong technical support and enable us to receive some